Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Delights. Today we'll be making a monsoon favorite mixed veg bhaji, also known as Veg Pakora. Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get our latest recipes. So let's get started. Let's start with the batter. Start the besan to the bowl. Some rice flour to add crispiness. Mix this, some salt, some turmeric. This is gonna help give our bhaji good color. Red chili powder and some ajwain, caraway seeds. Mix. We need a thick batter, not too thick. It should coat our vegetables properly. So a little water at a time. Make sure you have a nice lump-free, smooth batter. If you can see, it's a smooth batter, not too thick, not too thin, just enough to coat our vegetables. And our batter is ready. For the vegetables, I've taken potatoes, thinly sliced. Okay, and some spinach. I've taken medium-sized leaves, but again, if you have any big leaves, you can just cut them into half. And some sliced onions. Now the oil is hot. Let's add a spoonful into our batter. A little more. And give it a mix real quick. This is going to help our batter get even more crispy. Okay, now one by one, let's start frying the veggies. You can choose the vegetables of your choice. You can take baby corn, cauliflower, whatever you like. I've added a big batch of potatoes. Halfway through, just flip them. Make sure they fry on both sides properly. These have been frying for about 5 minutes now. I think they're done. Drain off as much oil as you can. Now, let's fry our spinach leaves. Now, because these are nice and small, I'm just going to take the whole leaf, coat it on all sides, rip off the excess, and then fry. Let's do one more. They're nice and golden on both sides. Let's take them out. Remember, they fry pretty quickly, so keep an eye on them. Now let's move on to our onions. So for the onions, the rest of the batter, let's pour all the onions in. And give it a good mix. And let's pour slowly in a scattered way into the hot oil. There's two ways you can make these onion pakoras. Either scatter them or leave them into the oil, small balls, one at a time. Let me show you a couple. Like that. If you do the scattered version, it's gonna go even more crispy. I'll just make a big batch and show you how it goes. It's been 5-6 minutes. You can see they've gone golden. I'm going to take it out. Now, let's see how to plate it. I'm going to serve it in this platter. I've already added some tomato and garlic chutney and green chutney, that's mint chutney. You can find the recipes for the same in the description. Now let's start plating them up one by one. You can see how super crispy all the pakoras are. That's exactly how you want them. And to this, I'm going to add some chaat masala. It's optional. It does give it that extra zing. And there you have it, the mixed veg pakora. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. For more recipes, visit our website www.theeverydaydelights.com. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.